What's going on, world? How you guys doing? Last time you guys saw us, we planted out these beautiful seeds right here, and now look how they look. Beautiful. So today, we're actually gonna mix up some soil. We're gonna go to a bat cave, we're gonna go to a cow pasture, we're gonna go see the horse, and we're gonna get all different types of elements to mix our soil. We're gonna get charcoal dirt, we're gonna get red dirt, all right? So if you guys are interested in making the best soil organically, that it could get stronger every single day, every single week, every single year, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell down below, and don't forget to subscribe. This is an exciting video today, guys. Very, very exciting. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of how everything looks right now. Always have to show you guys that. So let's take a look at how the peppers are doing. You know, the peppers are looking real nice. The Roma tomatoes, different type of tomatoes right there. We got brandywine, we got arugula, you know, the jalapenos. Look how beautiful these cucumber leaves are growing. This is after 2 weeks, guys, 2 weeks. So we're gonna put a link here or here somewhere where you could click on our last video to see how we started all these seeds. Look how beautiful the garden looks. Look at this. This is basil mint. Very nutritious herbal plant right here. It gives a lot of flavor to cooking and nice teas. We got the cayenne pepper, the leaf of life. Oh man, you can see a lot more. Follow us along. All right, guys, we're at the start of it now. We're about to head out. We got the whole team here. We got some shovels, some bags, and we got the flashlights on. So we're about to go hit up the first stop, which is the Batcave. Because you know, bat guano has essential nitrogen and more minerals to help you grow your plants even faster. They sell it commercially, but we're about to get it naturally, organically. All right, guys, so you saw we just took a little journey from the garden over at the retreat, and right now we're in the mountains and we're about to find a bat cave. All right, and we're gonna go in there and we're gonna scrape up some bat guano so we can use that to make our soil and mix with our compost. All right, so we got the team out here. Follow us along. French thyme, also known as Cuban oregano. Look at this, we got fields of it growing in the wild. So this is how you know you're supposed to be eating this and using this as a seasoning and juicing it and using it in your daily life because it grows wild. Just like all the herbs we have in our company, wild crafted herbs, just like this. Alright guys, so check this out. We made it to the cave, right? Look at everybody. Everyone look kind of scared right now. Look at the faces. The faces don't look as excited anymore. Everyone look. So look, the cave is behind us. Let me shine the light down there. Look at that. They went down the cave, but someone broke one of the steps for us to get out. So there's 5 guys stuck down there right now. But anyway, they're gonna take you guys through the tour, let you guys know what's going on. Kish knows a lot about bat guano, so he'll show you how to scrape it up, how to bag it, and when they get out, I'll tell you all the benefits of it for gardening.
Really?
Yeah, you can walk to the right. Go to the right. Yo.
Can't have got your rum enough.
Huh?
We don't want to rum enough to do. Cockroach, I run completely. Put them in their box, but they shall go in the car. Right, that top shit there, them there. Over here. Bug, they are bug. Yeah.
Yes, where the best?
They must have did something over there, so no indecent.
Go there, bug. Cut it. What? Up there.
So guys, they're coming out of the cave. Wasn't no need for me to go down there. As you can see, We're about to get this stuff out of here, bring it down and get it back to the garden. But we show you how to mix this. They call this gold dust because it glistens. So once we get it out of here, we're gonna show you how it looks in the sun and how much it glistens and everything about it. All right, follow us along. Look at this, guys. This is a whole like 20 by 20 feet of French thyme. I wish you guys could smell what this smells like right now. Oh man. Cuban oregano.
Mike, I got them on the eye.
All right, guys, so we're at another spot right now where we're getting cold dirt. All right, so over here, you guys see, they have a bunch of wood and they make natural coal. So you can see the wood pieces right here. You know, this is natural coal that they make here and sell back. So what we're doing, we're taking the dirt and we're gonna mix that with our compost, with our red dirt, and with everything else. All right, guys, so you see this right here? We got some beautiful red dirt, right? It's got some shells in there too, from in the river that came down. You can see that breaking down. Because it's been here for a while breaking down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix this in there too. All right, we're gonna take out everything that we see, and we're gonna mix this with our compost, with our bat guano, the cow poop, horse poop, all of this, and seashells, and we're gonna mix it all up and make a really nice soil mixer, especially with perlite, vermiculate. So we'll explain more about it as we mix up, all right? All right, so you just saw us go to the Batcave and harvest bat guano naturally, you know, organically. They eat almonds, they eat fruits, all organic, natural, vegan diet. Right now, if it wasn't so late, you guys would actually see the glisten in the sun. This is horse poop. You can see by the roundness of it. All they eat is grass. So you see that breaking down right there. What we're gonna do is just take this poop, actually been processed by the horse, and made it bioavailable to the plants. And the plants are gonna be making it bioavailable to us through iontrophosis. It's gonna send its roots down, it's gonna absorb all the minerals from this, all the minerals from the compost, all the minerals from the bat guano, and then we're gonna absorb those minerals. And that's how the chemistry of the body works. So now we're gonna mix it up and make a really good soil so we can have a nice amount of soil biology. The more you give your plants, the more they take to grow. So maybe that kale plant over there, it might need some nitrogen, phosphorus, or it might need calcium. We may not know that, but by making a variety of soil with different things in there, it can have all these minerals bioavailable to it, so it can send its roots down and take it up, right? That's why we make so many different things. We're gonna show you how we spread it, how we mix it, and the ratio that we do. We kind of try to do like, if we have 4 different things, we'll probably do like a fourth of each, a quarter of each. If we have perlite, vermiculate, I'm gonna show you guys. Just follow us along and see how we do it, all right? All right, so this is all of our spent soil. That means soil that's been used to grow plants already. And this is from last year, and really, I don't call it spent because this soil actually been breaking down. Look, charcoal. You see this charcoal right here? Look at this. This turns to powder. This charcoal been breaking down. The bat guano, cow poop from last year has been breaking down. So to me, this soil is actually stronger than when we first mixed it because we're not allowing the time to break down the compost. We're just mixing it on this tarp right here, and then we're gonna put it in our bags and plant right into it. So it still doesn't get the proper decomposition over time for those plants. So that's why I say after time, our soil gets stronger because it's organic and it naturally breaks down. So right now, over this soil that we've picked up from the upstairs garden, we're gonna spread the bat guano over the top of this. Then we're gonna spread some cow poop over the top of this, and the red dirt and the charcoal. And we're gonna mix it all up with some fresh compost that we have. All right, so this right here is cow poop. You see the size of it? There's no like small balls like the horse poop. And inside of this is the same thing, grass. Oh wow, I just saw a big earthworm in there. Look at that. That's already soil. You could plant and just mix this up and give your soil nutrients naturally. And by the way, all the seeds are in here. So anything the cows eat, we're gonna grow back into our garden. So the purslane, the duppy gun, the devil's horsewhip, the wild kalu, the wild cabbage. Guess what? It's gonna be growing in our garden now. All right, so now We're adding the compost, mixing it in. All right, so we're finally got all of our materials together, and we're gonna show you how to mix everything. We had to wait till today. You know, we lost sunlight yesterday, but check this out. You see so much things moving around. Bunch of little bugs. All right, so that's microbiology in the soil already that we're gonna mix into our compost and our old soil that we emptied our pots from. This is bat guano, this is cow poop and horse poop. This is red dirt, that's charcoal. Now we're just gonna put layers of each thing on there. All right. And we're gonna add compost, which is this right here. 100% organic. This is just stable fruits, vegetable, organic matter, and topsoil. We also got compost, which is organic, 100% organic. Ingredients, we got stable fruit, organic matter, vegetables, ackee leaves, grass, topsoil. And this is just a normal organic compost that we're gonna mix with our spent soil, our older soil, and everything right here. And we could fill up some of our smaller pots and get ready to transplant. So all you do is take your finger, pop it there, and then boom, you can see those nice healthy roots. We have a nice soil mixture. I'm gonna just get a little bit of this right here, just sprinkle each one that I transplant. That's gonna be the same thing in each square. This right here, and then we're gonna fill each one.